Hi guys, and I'm not showing my face yet, but these are the Christmas prayers and prayer stuff that I got for Christmas. Duh. So, let's get started. Let's start with this rider, and this new model of this rider I don't like. Look at her face. So ugly. No, I mean it's not ugly, but it's weird. I don't like it. But anyways. And before you start to say anything, these are my very first prior traditional scale horses and riders and stuff. So I don't have much of them, like I just said. And here are her pack that came with her, and now let's get to the horses. Oh, and I got all things that I wish from Christmas. And let's get started with the horses. So here is this Pinto Sport horse, I think. Yes, it is. And my friend made a name for him, but I can't remember right now. And I also got this blue halter. I got the pack where comes 3 halters with lead ropes, so yeah. Here is my little boy. He's really cute. I actually like him a lot. He's so cute. Look at the face. And this guy is going to be my friend's character in my first movie that I will make someday. Yeah. And let's get to the last horse and no, not last stuff. But anyways. Here is Lil Ricky Rocker. Oh my god, I love him. I love him so much. I wasn't expecting him to be here for Christmas. But he is, and oh my god, he is so pretty. My god. She's so gorgeous. I love him. Oh my god. Just look at her eyes. Her? I mean, his eyes. My god. So beautiful. And as you probably already see it, I got this purple halter too, and the pink halter that came also with that halter pack is behind me, but I'm not going to show it because I don't have horse to use it. So these are my Christmas prayers, and I hope you like it. If you like this video, just comment if you want that I show the other stuff that I got for Christmas. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.